Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.75 for blockchain, which is significantly above our historical baseline. This isn't just noise. It indicates a strong positive shift in sentiment that you can leverage. Coupled with a momentum of plus 0.44 and 18 semantic clusters, this reveals where the discussions are happening and how they're evolving. Our API returns detailed insights on sentiment trends, momentum shifts, and topic clusters, allowing you to pinpoint opportunities in real time. Imagine using this data to enhance your trading algorithms or refine your content strategy. Tapping into the pulse of blockchain sentiment could give you the edge you need. For a deeper dive into the data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.